In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using Metatrader 5. If you've just installed MT5 and want a clear, beginner-friendly path to placing and managing your first trade, you're in the right place. Start by logging into your trading account. Open Metatrader 5. Go to the File menu and choose Login to Trade Account. Enter your login ID, password, and the server details provided by your broker so the platform can connect to your account correctly. If you're brand new, switch to a demo account first. It mirrors real market conditions but uses virtual funds, which is perfect for practice without financial risk. Next, get comfortable with the MT5 layout. You'll see 4 key areas when the platform opens. Market Watch lists available instruments and their live prices, like major currency pairs or gold. The chart window is where you'll visualize price movement and perform your analysis. Navigator gives quick access to your accounts, indicators, and tools. And the terminal at the bottom shows your open trades, account history, and balance. A quick tip: press Ctrl+T to show or hide the terminal so you can monitor positions when you need to and free up space when you don't. To open your first chart, look at Market Watch. Right-click on the instrument you want, say URUSD or gold, and select Chart Window. A live chart will appear, updating as prices move. To add some basic analysis tools, go to Insert, then Indicators. Start simple with RSI to gauge momentum, a moving average to smooth price action, and MACD to get a feel for trend and potential shifts. You can also drag any indicator from the Navigator directly onto the chart, then adjust its settings to your preference. When you're ready to place a trade, press F9 or click New Order. Choose a small lot size. 0.01 is a sensible starting point while you learn. Decide whether you want to buy if you expect price to rise or sell if you expect it to fall. Set a stop loss to control risk and a take profit to lock in a target level. Click Buy or Sell to send the order. That's your first trade placed. Manage it from the terminal on the Trade tab. You can close the position at any time or modify your stop loss and take profit as conditions change. Know the 2 basic order types. Market orders execute immediately at current prices, while pending orders trigger later at a price you choose. To wrap up, practice on a demo first, keep lot sizes small, always use a stop loss, make decisions based on analysis, and work with a trusted broker. MT5 is the platform, but the broker executes your trades.